Hello, this is a common problem in student work. I call it generalizing countable nouns. Basically, you have to use the plural, that's the s, adding the s on the end. As you can see in these examples here, human can build computer, mobile phone and satellite to enable communication over vast distances. It's wrong because we are talking about humans who can build computers and mobile phones and satellites, right? There's more than one of them that we're talking about. So when you're generalizing like this, add the s. So it should look like this, right? Humans can build computers, mobile phones and satellites to enable communication over vast distances. Okay, please try and remember that. Very, very, very common mistake in the writing. Okay. Another point about humans is you can use the word mankind. Right? Mankind, that isn't countable. Right? So you could put mankind can build computers, mobile phones and satellites and so on. However, this isn't really advisable. It used to be, and you'll see it written quite a lot in reading, but nowadays we generally prefer not to use mankind because what about womankind? This is a big thing at the moment, and also you might think, what about all the other gender identities that aren't necessarily a man or a woman? Okay, so better just to stick with humans.